Bienvenue at Drummondville, Quebec. Controversially home to the famous Putin. That is like the poutine, not like the crazy world leader. We're going to Stefan's house at the moment. Well, let's see if this guy is gonna pull out in front of me or not. Nope. So Stefan sent me a message. I don't even know how he found me, saying that he would help me change the motorbike tire on my bike. So he had a garage and a workshop. Was happy to help me out, and hopefully he's a super nice guy and not a crazy criminal. Let's see, last cul-de-sac on the right. Let's just double check here. Also, my garage is dead end 2995. Bonjour! This is the house of Stefan? What? Is there someone who lives here named Stefan? Gordon. Oh, wrong door. Okay, merci. Okay, that was the wrong one. Let's see, 2995. Lucky for me, that guy spoke English and was outside, because that would have been pretty silly if I rolled up into his garage and it was the wrong guy. Oh yeah, this is feeling a little better now. Bonjour! Oh, I have a BMW in this. Oh, there's a sign with my name on it. Ah, that's hilarious. Merci. Bonjour. Oh, hello, little dog.
Yeah, make sure you.
Okay, we're in the garage of Stefan, who helped me change the tire today. Look at this beauty compared to this, which is definitely worn out. And before leaving, they treated me to a nice smoked meat lunch, complete with ice cream and cocktails. Took me on a tour of the van they're converting for road trips and camping, and busted out the helmet that he wears. But he had a picture of himself on the back so he could watch people behind him while he rides. You meet the nicest people on the road.